Alam niyo naman ba sa pag-chocolate? Fave Choco Drink ko to. Signature Dark Chocolate, 12-in-1 Glutathione. Choco drink na may secret mission? Akala ko nga dessert lang, pero may magic pala sa loob. Choco drink na di lang pampasarap, may bonus pa. Sino nagsabing bawal ang choco? Kung gusto mong magpaka-healthy, ito, dark chocolate flavor, masarap, indulgent, guilt-free all day. It helps resist your snack craving and perfect for a busy days. More chill, no big surprises in the CR, kaya kung mahilig ka sa choco, pero may laman, hindi lang pampatamis ng araw, legit to best. Di ka lang busog, parang maayos ka rin sa loob. Kaya, what are you waiting for? This is available on the yellow basket.